Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing the passion twist using the Freetress braiding hair. The key points or the main thing about passion twist is that you want to fluff the passion twist hair itself just to give it a nice bouncy look. I usually start my passion twist with braids because I want it to last for my client. So I do what's best for my clients, and I've been doing this for a very long time now, and it's been working just fine. So I'm just going to keep doing that because the hair is curly. So I think, to me, it just makes it tighter when you start with braids, at least for my clients. You just start just exactly the way you start your regular box braids. You just the way you start your knot box braid. You just start, and I'm gonna show you guys. I usually braid about 3 times. It all depends on how long my client's hair is, or just whatever I think is gonna work best for them. I just do whatever is best for them. And the thing is that it all comes together, so you don't have to think too much about stuff like this, because honestly, for some clients, I only do 2 braids and then twist. I only do 3 braids. For some, I even do 4, just because I want it to last for them. To me personally, I try to make the hair, the left and the right side similar or equally, just so it's easy for me to braid. And I also add edge control just so it's smoother. We are going to have another example. Again, you just try to make sure the hair is fluffy, and just start. Some people start with twists, which is great, but for me, I think starting with braids, if you want it to last, to me, it's always worked for my clients and also for myself. So you braid, and then you just try to make it equal, just so it's just a nice, easy twist. Just like that. So you can take hair from each side. Just, you kind of have a feel of your hair when you're holding it, so you know where to take the hair from and where to give. And you add your edge control, and then you twist. Also, I do not like the edge control that I was using. I would leave a link in the description box to, recommendation for the edge control that I think is going to be best fits for passion twist. Because some edge controls, you need a stronger one for a twist like this, especially when your clients might have, straight hair, just so everything can hold really, really tight. This part is very exciting to me because I can see that I only have one passion twist left. And yeah, so you braid again, guys, make it fluffy. Again, use the edge control. You braid and then you twist. So with this one, I think I started with a really somewhat skinny braid, skinny passion braid. So I had to just insert a smaller one, just the way you insert your knotless braids, just so it can be a little bit thicker or just same size as every other braid. So that was the reason why you saw me at that little pace, and I had to do that for only this braid. So now that we're done, I'm going to be using my mousse. I got that mousse from the beauty supply. I apply the mousse everywhere, all over, whatever it can fit in. To me, there's no such thing as too much mousse when it comes to braids and twists and all that good stuff. But hey, who knows? So yeah, this is the end product, guys, and thanks for watching. I will be posting more, and I cannot wait to show you guys some more stuff. Again, thanks for watching, and this is it. Thank you.